Now, how can you delete double photos on your Android phone? And let's get into it. Well, in fact, there are more ways how you can do this. And usually there are some apps which get the job done, right? So I would recommend you to check out some apps which are available on the Google Play Store, specifically one I use for cleaning up my devices, and it is called SD Made. And there are actually more versions. So there's this like one, there is the second one, right? I even have an update available. So I'm going to click on install. And this app is packed with features which are designed to clean up your phone, right? So we have the system cleaner, app cleaner, but we also have the deduplicator. And when you scan your phone, you can see a bunch of different things which might be found as the double images. So you can see this is the thing right here. So I have a photo so I can confirm the deletion, right? And it just works well. So the good thing about the SD Made app is that it searches for duplicates not only in the photos department, but in any department of files. The downside is well, basically the app is kind of paid, and you can get some free trials. So yes, you can most definitely clean up your duplicates for free, but it requires a paid subscription afterwards. Keep in mind that there are some other apps which delete duplicate photos, which you can explore on the Google Play Store. So many different apps if you look it up, and they technically all work in a simple or similar manner, right? So if I download something else, like this app, which again claims to do the same thing, well, you just have to go through the setup process as well, and everything just looks fine and normal. And then you can see that you need to pay the subscription again. So this is the culprit behind most of these apps, where basically not much can be done for free. So the last option is to check out the built-in settings and just go to the device care. So there is a menu for it, right? So this is how it looks, and then go to the storage. And you can browse the storage within photos, right? So check out the trash. And you also have the duplicate files, right? So this gives you the native ability to check out duplicate photos, and you can delete them, of course. And because this is like built in and part of the phone, it's free, but it may not work on every single Android phone. So at first, I guess check it out because it's free and simple, but if not, you will probably need to check out a third-party app for it. So let me know below in the comments which option worked for you. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials in the future.